Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in. Excuse me. Let's dig in and take a look at the trading view charts here. But let's start out with the weekly. We haven't done the weekly in a bit. I might sneeze a lot in this. All right, so here's the weekly chart on trading view. We still have our descending triangle here. Let's zoom in a little bit and see. It's not what we want. Come on, go down. Why is it not going down? I don't know why it's not going down. Okay, well, we'll work with this. Okay. So it's been trending down. Hope you can see that. Okay. And it's been down here. Let's consolidate a little bit. It's so strange why it won't move. Anyways, let me. The current weekly candle is right here. Make sure you can see that. All right, it's right there. It's a doji. Long wicks on top, long wicks on the bottom, tiny little body. It looks very indecisive. What it wants to do. There's a lot of volume here in this area here around 34, 30 to 36 right here. So you can see the wicks coming down here. And notice on the weekly chart that in the past, last summer, it went wick down to this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 4 times. 4 times it wicked down to at least this area. Actually, make it 5 if you count right here. So 5 times in this area. And so I do expect it to bounce a couple times here. So we'll see. I'm not sure if we can consider this one. I guess we could. So there's 2, and then I expect some more here. And then if it bounce back up, that's great. But if it bounce back down here, we could probably hit the upper 20s, and then we'll see what happens from there. Currently, it's at the bottom of the weekly Bollinger Band, and still below the what is that thing called? The bull market support ribbon here. Still below, hasn't changed much. And the 50 week moving average is still below that. And this red line is the 200, still above the 200. So 200 is going to be roughly around low 20s if it does come down that far. It can. Like I showed you in the video for where's the Bitcoin's bottom. Volume, let's see what's happening with volume. Volume is still going sideways. On the KDJ line, the J white line here, it's starting to curve up, and that's good. Hopefully it'll continue to go up and then intersect the K, the blue K line and the red J line. The MACD white line here is still below the red signal line, and we have the red histogram here. Very bearish here. Hopefully that will change. Way down here we have the RSI, which is the red line. It's currently at such tiny little fonts. It's currently at 38. 30 would be like over sold. So it's at 38 still got some room, and it's both the RSI and the cumulative volume delta CVD line. They're merging together and trending down slightly, even though they could be like going horizontal, signaling they're going horizontal. The momentum indicator, the MOM, it's been down, and then it's spiking up still. So momentum looks better. What would I say? It's still pretty mixed. You know, we don't have any confirmation to the J line crosses here, but it's trending up, so that's good. A little bearish here. Here's some a little bearish here, and momentum is picking up, so that's a little bit bullish. So still mixed on the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Still within the channel, crabbing horizontally with a red candle on the daily, and on the Bollinger Band, it's just near the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. So KDJ, the white J line went up above and starting to curve back down again, so that's looking bearish. The white MACD line is leveling off. It looks like it's about to cross the signal line and could potentially go some more horizontal before it crosses. The RSI red line here is starting to curve down. It's currently at 20. Looks like 28. Double check. 28. Yep. 28.5. RSI is at 28.5, leveling off, curving down slightly. The momentum white line here is going horizontal. The cumulative volume delta, the aqua line here, is curving down. So looking a bit bearish here on the daily chart. Let's go to the hourly chart and take a look. So we previously had the horizontal channel, and my screen just blanked out. And you can see that it went above, went down, bounced off the support line here on the channel, went back up, went back down. And this is just today. Market open, stock market open was right in the peak here. It's been going down, had a just big red candle here, dropped below the support of the channel here, and then went back up. So almost equal in size here. Went back down, went back up. So it's currently inside here. It's sitting at 36.2K. My expectation is that it'll ride within this channel for a bit yet. There's nothing that can, unless we have some significant manipulation to move it. I don't see it changing. We have let's look at the Bollinger Band on the hourly charts here. There we go. Bollinger Band. It crashed to the not crashed. It went to the bottom of the Bollinger Band here, but it just went back up. It's slightly a third of the way towards the bottom inside the Bollinger Band here. On the KDJ, the J line is coming up to the K line. The white J line is coming up towards the blue K and the red D line, and it's going to pinch together, and we'll find out if it's going to bounce back down or go back up. So don't know about that one. Inconclusive is what it is. The MACD white line is below the red signal line, and it's curving slightly back up, but you see the difference between the two. They're like literally next to each other, laying flat. So not very strong signal here, and it's currently slightly bearish, but I wouldn't consider that anything. It's just like really thin on the histogram bars. On the RSI, we have RSI red line here, and that's kind of going up and down, kind of pretty much horizontal, and we're looking at roughly around 44 on the RSI, and there the cumulative volume delta, it's going horizontal. So it dropped down on the previous day, and it's currently going pretty much horizontal. So not a lot of volume changes there. The momentum indicator, the white line here, it trended down and just kind of bounced a little bit, but it looks like it's still trending down. So this group of signals down here looks like it's more going horizontal than anything else. And this one looks like it doesn't know what it's doing. So we'll wait for it, see if it bounces and it'll go down. This one, same thing. It looks like more, all these signals are telling me is that it might go horizontal for a few hours. It's what it's doing. And on the volume levels here, you can see this around 35.4, this level here. That's that area we have a lot of activities in the previous times in this time frame. So if it comes down here, it may get bought up and shoot up here. So strong support right here. So it hasn't gone down yet. But once it does, potentially it could go down even further. But we'll see. Could go down even down to here, around low 30s. And up here we have some strong activities up here previously. So if it does ride up here, if it makes it past here, then it might go even further. But right here we have a lot of activities. That's where you see that it went up here previously, yesterday, or actually last night, Pacific Standard Time, and then dropped down, because that's history right here. Lots and lots of activities. That's about it for the chart. And this chart is using TradingView. And so basically, what does that mean? Conclusion, it's going to crap sideways, basically. And we'll just wait and see what it does. But in the meantime, it will just continue to go in this channel. It may go up a little bit, but go down a little bit, but eventually return to this channel. We're going to need some major liquidation to be able to drop it down or force it to go up. Appreciate your time. If you found value in this analysis, go ahead and smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe. See you in the next video today. Take care. Bye-bye.